Hey guys, this is Kajal Kaushik and I welcome you all back on my channel Cool and Easy। मैं आप सबका एक बार फिर से स्वागत करती हूँ अपने चैनल Cool and Easy में। जैसे कि मैंने आप सब लोगों को पिछली बार प्रॉमिस किया था कि नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मैं आप लोगों को इंट्रोडक्टरी क्वेश्चंस के वो फेजेस बताऊंगी जिनको आप एक ही बारी में लास्ट वाले क्वेश्चंस की तरह अच्छे से समझ पाएंगे और वो आपको एक ही झटके में लर्न भी हो जाएंगे। तो आज की वीडियो में मैं आप लोगों के लिए ले आई हूँ उन्हीं इंट्रोडक्टरी क्वेश्चंस का थर्ड पार्ट। और मैंने आप लोगों से प्रॉमिस किया था कि मैं सिर्फ 5 सीरीज में इनको डिवाइड करूंगी और ये 5 सीरीज पढ़ने के बाद आपको इंट्रोडक्टरी क्वेश्चन से रिलेटेड सारी प्रॉब्लम्स जो है टाटा बाय बाय कर सकेंगे। और मैंने इस चीज का पूरा ध्यान रखा है कि मैं पूरी वीडियो के अंदर जो भी कंटेंट यूज करूं, जो भी इंग्लिश वोकैब और वर्ड्स यूज करूं, आप सभी उसको आसानी से समझ पाए एंड यू गाइज वुड बी एबल टू यूज देम इन योर डेली लाइफ। बिकॉज इफ you will be unable to use them in your daily routine, it would be of no use. So I have kept all the simple and very effective vocabulary to explain your answers, and by those answers you would be able to score more than 7+ bands in your final speaking test during your IELTS 2022 exam। अगर आप लोग अपना एग्जाम जुलाई और अगस्त में देने वाले हैं, सो दीज क्वेश्चंस आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। इवन इफ यू आर प्लानिंग एक्सटेंडेड इन द फर्दर मंथ्स, स्टिल इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज द इंट्रोडक्टरी क्वेश्चंस रिमेन सेम इन ऑलमोस्ट ऑल द सेशंस एंड सम ऑफ द एडिशंस आर मेड बेस्ड ऑन द प्रीवियस टॉपिक। सो you do not have to bother much in this case and you can revise these questions for all the exams in this IELTS particular speaking section। तो चलिए मैं आप लोगों को ज्यादा समय वेस्ट नहीं करना चाहती हूँ बिकॉज वी हैव टू कवर अ लॉट ऑफ टॉपिक्स। बाय वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो फ्रॉम बिगिनिंग टिल एंड यू गाइज वुड बी एबल टू लर्न देम ऑल। तो शुरू करते हैं हमारे आज के कुछ क्वेश्चंस। आज का फर्स्ट टॉपिक जो मैंने चूज किया है वो मैंने लैंग्वेज के ऊपर चूज किया है। एज यू ऑल नो दैट लैंग्वेजेस आर क्वाइट इंपॉर्टेंट। सो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन दैट वी आर गोइंग टू कवर टुडेज सेशन इज दैट व्हाई आर सम लैंग्वेज क्लासेस बोरिंग। जब भी आपसे वाई का आंसर पूछा जाए तो आप लोग उसके आंसर को देर से स्टार्ट करके काफी फ्रेगमेंट्स में डिवाइड कर सकते हैं। टू एग्जाम्पलीफाई, there are many reasons for language classes to be boring. First of all, when the teacher fails to connect with the students and they are unable to explain the language wisely, and even if they have the language skill but they do not know the teaching skill, that could be a problem. So first problem is this. Secondly, sometimes students fail to understand the exact meaning of the words and they do not understand how to pronounce them even they understand them. So this also breaks their productiveness and they keep themselves away from the language class and their interest loses in that section. So आपका आंसर ये भी हो सकता है इसमें। इसके अलावा आप लोग बोल सकते हैं also the methods used by the children or the students during their language training is sometimes inappropriate and that also leads to make the classes boring. So these are the common answers that you can include and incorporate in this particular question, that why are some language classes boring। इसके अलावा जो मेन क्वेश्चन आप लोगों को लैंग्वेज से रिलेटेबल मिलता है वो ये होता है कि व्हाट इज द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ learning foreign language। Learning a foreign language is quite important because every speech teaches us something about the tradition and culture where it belongs. To exemplify, when we learn English, we learn a lot about American and nativity British culture because it has risen from the Britishers. So the actual English that Indians utilize is from Britishers, and that is why learning it is very useful because it enlightens us about the tradition and culture of that particular place where that language is spoken. Secondly, it is also useful in adding to your resume because the people who are multilingual get various employment opportunities all over the world. So it is an addition to the previous answer. You guys can use both these statements to elaborate your answer. तो ये हमारा लैंग्वेज से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन है। देन हमारे नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन को जिसमें हम कवर अप करने जा रहे हैं दैट इज फोटोग्राफ्स। फोटोग्राफ्स के बारे में भी बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं और पहला ही क्वेश्चन होता है डू यू लाइक टेकिंग फोटोग्राफ्स। Yes, definitely. I love to take photographs because they act as a memory and it has become a leisure activity these days. It is gaining a lot of popularity to click many pictures as you can and to post it on your social media. So yes, definitely I love photographs. I love taking photographs. तो आप इस तरीके से इस आंसर को दे सकते हैं। The next question asked to you is, do you like to capture yourself or get yourself captured by others? So what you can answer here is, well, it depends depends on my mood. If I'm alone and I have no other option, then in such a scenario, I would love to take a selfie instead of requesting others to take my photographs. But yes, if I am with my friends and my family members, then I do not lose the chance to get myself caught in portrait mode. So whenever I am with my loved ones, I get myself clicked with them and with the help of them. So this is the answer you can use in this particular question. Then the next question asked that this niche is that what kind of photos do you like to take? Here you can say I like to take a lot of photos. First of all, I like to capture myself and my friends and family members whenever I go somewhere out for a picnic or for outing or hanging out with friends. Then I take photographs. Moreover, I also love to capture sunrises and sunsets, and whenever I go to hills, I love to click the photographs of the weather. So these are the particular answers that you can use in this particular question, that what kind of photos do you like to take? Landscapes, hills, selfies, and with people. These kind of pictures are my favorite. You can also add wildlife because it is the part of nature. And the very next question that I'm going to cover today is, do you like bags? It will be based on bags. So the first question in this case is, do you like bags? Yes, I like bags. I love to carry bags. It helps me carry my things, and I can keep a lot of material in my handbag or in my backpack. So yes, I love bags and I love to carry them. So what kind of things you carry in your bag? So here you can say mostly I carry a handbag or a backpack, and for that in my bags I mostly carry my belongings such as my stationery material and some of wet wipes along with comb and some other necessary material. Sometimes I also carry my tiny wallet inside in which I keep my cards and cash. So basically I keep my stationery and my other belongings which are the part of my daily routine in my bag. Then third question asked to you is, what kind of bags do you like? So here you can say that I like a lot of bags. I like sling bags, and whenever I go for outing with my friends or I go to market, I usually carry them. And if I'm going to my class or work, I mostly carry backpacks because it does not put a lot of weight on your shoulders. They are divided on both of them. And apart from that, if I go for some work, then I carry formal bags, formal purses that go good with my outfits. So these are the types of bags that I like. यहाँ पे आप ये आंसर देके अपना आंसर कवर अप कर सकते हैं. Then sometimes they also ask, do you have a lot of nice bags? So here you can say, yes, absolutely, I have a great collection of bags, and I have made a separate area in my almirah for them so that I can keep them safe over there. So yes, I have a lot of collection of bags and they are in array of shades. वो बहुत सारे रंगों के हैं, आप ये बोल सकते हैं इसमें. तो हमारा bags वाला portion भी यहाँ पे cover up होता है. Now let's move to the other set of questions. I have written some of the questions so that I do not forget to tell you all about these as well. And these are the mixed sort of questions, and they cover different issues. So you guys have to listen it very wisely. Do not miss any particular second of this video because it is very important for you and for your final examination that you are going to take in the month of July and August, as these questions belong to this session only, and after this quarter the questions will be changed. As you all know, if you are an IELTS enthusiast and you want to make your career or start it in abroad, in Canada or in Australia or at your favorite destination, so do not miss any of the questions that I am going to explain it to you. And the first question that I am going to cover now after the others is that, do you like to try new activities? So what students think in this particular question is that the examiner is only asking about adventure sports. No, trying new activities is nothing related to adventure sports only. They could be the part of it, but the entire answer does not depend on extreme sports only. So what you can answer in this particular question is that there are many activities that I love trying in my in my leisure time and in my spare time, and most of them include trying new food, playing some sports, trying new video games, reading some new books, and also doing gardening. These are my favorite activities that I usually do in my daily routine and in my free time. तो इस पूरे आंसर के साथ आप लोग अपने इस क्वेश्चन को कंपोज कर सकते हो वेल प्लान्ड मैनर में. सो द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, व्हाट न्यू एक्टिविटी वुड यू लाइक टू ट्राई इन द सेम सेक्शन. तो आप लोगों से पूछा जा रहा है कि ऐसी कौन सी एक्टिविटी है जो आप ट्राई करना चाहोगे. सो व्हाट यू कैन आंसर हियर इज, I have a desire to do skydiving once in my life, and this is the activity that I would like to do in the upcoming days, and even I am planning for it to take a solo trip for it in Dubai, and I'm collecting money for it. So this is the new activity that I would love to try in the upcoming days, in the days ahead. तो ये आपका आंसर जो है परफेक्ट हो जाएगा इस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन के लिए. इसमें आपको एडिशंस नहीं करनी पड़ेंगी. इन एनी ऑफ द सिचुएशंस इफ दे आस्क यू व्हाई, so what you can say here is I am a big lover of thrill and adventure, and skydiving is something that is related to finding your own nerves. I want to overcome my fear of height as I'm acrophobic. I have a huge fear of depth, and I want to overcome it as soon as possible, and I have seen many of my friends doing this activity, and that is why I'm really influenced and I want to try it once in my life. तो इस तरीके से आप वाई का आंसर भी कवर अप कर लेंगे. उसके बाद वो आप लोग को WH फैमिली का कोई भी मेंबर जो है आगे फॉरवर्ड नहीं करेंगे और वो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे शिफ्ट कर जाएंगे, जिससे आपको आंसर करना आसान हो जाएगा. तो चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ मूव करते हैं. So as I told you earlier that I will cover most important questions that are always same in almost all the sections, in all the quarters, and one has to be make a very beautiful grip, a very strong grip over them. So the next question is, are you interested in fashion and clothes? So what you can say here is, yes, I am a big lover of fashion and clothes. I love to be in the trends. I keep myself updated with the trends, and I buy often fashionable clothes that matches the trend of a particular time. तो आप लोग इस आंसर को दे सकते हैं, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है हम में से सब लोग शॉपिंग करते रहते हैं विद चेंजिंग ट्रेंड्स. चाहे हम लोग क्लासिक के साथ ही डील करें, बट विद अ फ्यूजन ऑफ सम कंटेम्प्रेरी स्टाइल वी ऑलवेज चूज देम. तो आप लोग इस आंसर को बोल सकते हैं इस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन के आंसर के लिए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, डू यू हैव अ लॉट ऑफ नाइस क्लोथ्स? सो हियर यू कैन से इज yes for undoubtedly I have a lot of nice clothes in my wardrobe. I have collected multiple outfits, and they are in different shapes. I have different kind of denims, I have different kind of hats which are part of my outfit. I have different type of tops, blazers, and much more. So yes, I can say with utmost honesty that yes, I have a lot of nice clothes in my wardrobe or in my almirah. The next question asked very commonly to the students in this particular queue is that, do you like to wear fashionable clothes? So here boys over get confused that what we should say, because they only consider women's clothes fashionable, but it isn't like that. Anybody can wear fashionable clothes, and fashionable clothes doesn't like any stars or moons twist on them. They are just the part of the fashion. They are part of the current epoch, and everybody wears them. Like if I have to say that what is a fashionable cloth, even denim is a fashionable cloth that we wear in our daily routine. So what you can say here is, yes, I wear a lot of fashionable clothes. As I previously mentioned that I buy and shop for voguish clothes which are in trend. So yes, I can say and I agree to this that yes, I wear fashionable clothes. तो आप लोग इस तरीके से अपना एग्रीमेंट उनके सामने पर्टिकुलरली बड़ी ही सफाई के साथ रख सकते हैं कि yes, I have a lot of fashionable clothes and I love to wear them. I am fond of wearing them because they make me look confident. तो इस तरीके से आप आंसर इसका दे सकते हैं. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो है हम लोग मूव कर रहे हैं न्यूज़पेपर और मैगजीन के ऊपर, और ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस हैं. ये ऑफन स्टूडेंट्स से इनके बारे में पूछा भी जाता है और ये कभी भी चेंज नहीं होते हैं. तो ये आप लोगों के लिए फॉरएवर है. अगर आपने आज पेपर देना है या नेक्स्ट मंथ देना है या आने वाले 6 मंथ्स में भी देना है, तो इस क्वेश्चन को आप लोग कभी भी अवॉइड नहीं कर सकते हो. दैट इज, डू यू लाइक टू रीड न्यूज पेपर्स और मैगजीन? सो हियर व्हाट यू कैन से इज, एक्चुअली आई लाइक बोथ. On the daily basis, I love to read newspapers because it increases my knowledge and information. And secondly, I love to read magazines because they are centralized and focused on a particular element. To exemplify, if they are based on home decor, one can find each and every element related to home decor in that particular magazine. So, for overall knowledge, I read newspapers. For knowledge about some decorations or lifestyle or fashion or sports, I love to read magazines because they cover many aspects of a person's life and a particular topic. तो इस तरीके से आप इसका आंसर भी दे सकते हैं। अगर आप लोगों से फॉलो अप के दौरान भी ये क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है तो सिर्फ इतनी सी लेंथ भी आप लोगों को पूरे नंबर देगी इस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन के अंदर। फिर नेक्स्ट जो क्वेश्चन होता है, जब भी रीडिंग से रिलेटेड आता है, बुक्स हो गई, चाहे न्यूज़पेपर हो गया, चाहे मैगजीन हो गई, तो आप लोगों से ये पूछा जाता है कि do you love to read online or offline? So here is your choice. There are e-papers as well, there are e-magazines as well. You can choose any of them, and I believe that everybody has turned their lifestyle and reading skills into online format. So you can choose here e-method, that is by saying that I mostly read online news and I also read online magazines too, as they are quite convenient to read. I have my phone all time in my hands, and it is easy to access, and I can find any information that relates to any news, and I can get the current information about any particular event which is happening all over the world. So I mostly use my phone even if I want to read a newspaper or मैगजीन। तो ये आपके क्वेश्चन जो है न्यूज़पेपर और मैगजीन के साथ जो है कवर हो जाते हैं। इससे रिलेटेड एक दो और क्वेश्चन हैं, तो आप लोग वो जो जाके हैं सर्च करके उनको भी पढ़ सकते हैं। अगर आप लोगों को उनमें कोई दिक्कत आती है, यू कैन आस्क मी इन माय कमेंट सेक्शन एंड विल ट्राई टू रिप्लाई एज सून एज पॉसिबल टू यू ऑल। हमारे नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ मूव करते हैं हम। डू यू यूज परफ्यूम्स? नाउ दिस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन इज आंसर्ड बाय स्टूडेंट्स इन अ वे दैट can make any interviewer laugh. So what the student says, yes, I like perfumes, I really use them, they create a positive vibe around me. So what is positive vibe? Come on, this is an informal way of answering any question. What you have to say and what you have to opt is a formal style during your final speaking test in your IELTS examination. So you cannot choose these kind of words and answers to be given to your examiner, and you can be more safe by using simple vocabulary and make it more constructive and productive by answering it more appropriately and saying that yes, I use perfumes, I like them, I have a good collection of perfumes at my home. तो बस इतना सा आंसर बहुत है, इससे ज्यादा आप लोगों को इसे खींचने की बिल्कुल भी जरूरत नहीं है, और इतने से आंसर से भी आपको पूरे नंबर मिलेंगे जितना आप लोगों के वाइब वाले आंसर से मिलते हैं। इनफैक्ट उसमें आपके मार्क्स डिडक्ट हो सकते हैं, इसमें ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होगा। देन द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन दे आस्क इन दिस क्यू इज दैट व्हाट काइंड ऑफ परफ्यूम्स डू यू लाइक? हियर यू ऑल हैव टू से इज दैट I like mild perfumes which are not very strong and which does not affect others, and they should be of sweet smell because I really like the sweet smell of flowers. तो आप इस तरीके से इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर दे सकते हैं, whether it is for boys or girls, it could be the same and it is easier this way. The next question asked to you under this niche is that have you ever given a perfume as a gift to others? So here you can say yes, I have given perfumes to my friends and family members many times because it is the safest gift and everybody loves them. So whenever I know the favorite fragrance of the other person, whether they are my friends or my family members, I go and buy them perfumes because it is something that a person can keep with him or her every time. तो इस तरीके से आप इसका आंसर भी ब्यूटीफुली जो है कंप्लीट कर सकते हैं। तो हमारा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन के ऊपर मूव करते हुए मैं बता देती हूँ कौन से क्वेश्चंस हैं और किस तरीके से आप उनको आंसर कर सकते हैं। डू इंडियन पीपल लाइक टू ड्रिंक टी और कॉफी? वेरी बेसिक क्वेश्चन and always asked to the students, but often students make errors in these basic answers. I do not understand why. Maybe they are not getting the proper guidance, or they make them confused by choosing complex vocabulary. So here what you can answer is yes, Indian people love to drink tea and coffee. In fact, they are the staple drinks in my country, and people start their day with these two beverages, these two hot beverages, and also some people love to drink them in the evening. Even whenever the guests arrive at home, people oftenly serve them these two beverages. तो आप इस तरीके से इसका आंसर दे सकते हैं। फुल है, कंप्लीट है, बहुत आसान है, और सामने वाले को समझ भी आएगा कि आप कहना क्या चाहते हैं। तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आप लोगों से आजकल इस रो में पूछा जाता है, डू यू प्रिपेयर टी और कॉफी फॉर गेस्ट्स एट होम? Here you can say, definitely I feel no shame in preparing them tea or coffee. It is the part of hospitality that one has to show to the guests who arrive at our abode. But honestly, this usually happens when my mother is absent at home, and only in her absence I make tea or coffee for the guests. But when my mother is home, she is the one who will look after the kitchen chores. तो इस तरीके से आप इसका भी आंसर दे सकते हैं। और इसके बाद नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, थोड़ा सा हम एक्सरसाइज वगैरह कर लेते हैं अब इसी के जरिए। डू यू वॉक अ लॉट? वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन एंड यू शुड बी नोइंग दैट हाउ टू आंसर इट। सो व्हाट यू कैन से इन दिस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन इज, yes, I walk a lot. Even I take walk twice a day, in the morning and the evening, and I almost walk for 30 minutes in both the respective times. It keeps me fit and healthy. तो ये आपका पूरा आंसर हो गया। इससे ज्यादा आपको इसे एक्सेजरेट करने का बिल्कुल भी रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है। इससे आपका आंसर ऑफ द टॉपिक चला जाता है और ऐसा लगता है कि आप रट के आए हैं। तो आप सिर्फ इतना ही बोलेंगे तो दैट वुड बी फाइन। So the next question asked to you is that where do you usually go to take a walk? Now what you can say is, I usually go to the nearby park of my house, and sometimes when it is not possible, I just go on the rooftop of my house and take a walk over there for 30 minutes, continuous 30 minutes, because I do not like to break my consistency. It really helps me to maintain my routine. तो ये आपका इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर हो गया। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हमारे पास आ जाता है, डू यू मेक प्लान्स एवरी डे? Here it completely depends on your choice that whether you make or not. So most of the people mostly make plans that what they have to do first and what they do afterwards, after that first work. So here you can answer is, yes, I love to make plans. I am a very organized person and I love to save my time in all the way possible so that I can spend it on physical workout or with my family members and friends. So yes, I plan on daily basis. I love to plan. The next question asked to you, just to make you confused, is that what is the hardest part of making a plan? So what here you can answer is that I do not find it challenging to make a plan, but yes, I would be honest here that from where to start is the main problem while making a plan, because it is always, I always get confused from where to start and where to end. So this is the basic problem that I face while I make plans. So the last niche for today is, what is your favorite festival? So for all the Indians, Diwali is the common festival. Holi is also there. You can choose any of them, and you can say that I love all the festivals almost in my country, which are celebrated in my country. But my most favorite festival is Diwali, because it is known as the festival of lights. It is celebrated by everyone. Most of the Indians celebrate it, and even it is celebrated out of the country because it is gaining a lot of popularity even in the other nations. So that is why I like this festival. Moreover, on this day, people come together, exchange gifts and sweets, and they celebrate it together. So this could be the perfect answer for this question. The next question asked in a different manner here is that, do you also like Western festivals? So here you can say, yes, I love them a lot because they bring a lot of adventure in the life as compared to the usual festivals, because they tell us about the tradition and culture of the other countries and states. And the Western festivals which are very common and gaining a lot of popularity even in my country are New Year's Eve, Christmas, Father's Day, Mother's Day and Valentine's Day. So yes, I like Western festivals and they are quite beautiful, just as festivals of my country. तो ये होता है हमारा आज का सेशन पूरा कंप्लीट। दोस्तों, मुझे उम्मीद है कि आप लोगों को ये पूरे का पूरा अच्छे से समझ आ जाएगा। आप लोग एक दो बार मेरी वीडियो शुरू से लेकर एंड तक देखेंगे तो आपको मेरे आंसर्स बहुत अच्छे से रट जाएंगे, याद हो जाएंगे, एंड दे विल बिकम द पार्ट ऑफ योर एक्सपीरियंस। क्योंकि मुझे लगता है मैंने ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं बोला है जो कि आप लोगों की लाइफ का हिस्सा नहीं है, और मैं ऐसे ही आंसर्स जो है स्टूडेंट्स को बताती हूँ ताकि उनकी लाइफ का पार्ट लगे, ऐसा ना लगे कि क्रैम है, और वो इजीली गेट ऑन कर पाए। एंड आई होप दिस वीडियो would help you all in very fruitful way. Watch this video from beginning till end and do not forget to share it with your friends and family members. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, do subscribe it and also share it with your friends so that they can learn and they can improve their English skills, and especially for the IELTS final test, they could be able to prepare themselves in a wise manner. Also hit the bell icon to get the latest updates and notifications from my channel. अगली बार फिर आप लोगों से मिलूंगी एक नए टॉपिक के साथ, और आप लोग के IELTS का एग्जाम इजीएस्ट बनाने की कोशिश करूंगी। भगवान से प्रार्थना करूंगी कि आप सब लोग 7+ और 8+ बैंड जो है स्पीकिंग में, राइटिंग में और बाकी भी मॉड्यूल्स में स्कोर कर पाए। तब तक के लिए मैं आप सब लोगों से अलविदा लेती हूँ।